In this video, I'll show you how to make CV in Microsoft Word. This video is only for educational purposes only. To make sure what I'm going to show you in this video, now I'm using the inbuilt resume feature on my Microsoft Word for this. So if you open yours, you're going to be able to see different templates that you can be able to customize for yourself. So I think I'm going to just use, let me say this clear resume. I'll just tap on it. So it's just going to open up. So that is how it basically works. So like it's not that much stressful, it's just straight to the point. So right now you can see you're going to be able to be provided the details you need for your CV. So like everything is straight to the point. So what you need to do, I'm currently using the inbuilt resume feature on my Microsoft. So enter all these required details. Once you're done, just click on this download. You're going to be able to see your own resume or your own CV. So please, if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.